Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the class 12th Indian Economics, in which today we will discuss the second chapter, that is Indian economy during 1950 and 1990. In the previous chapter, we have discussed about the economical situation prevailed in the Indian economy on the eve of independence during the British rule, and several aspects of their positive and negative aspects have been discussed. In this chapter, we will discuss the Indian economy after the independence and the that is from the 15th August 1947. Now, it was the job of the Indian nationals, Indian leaders to run the Indian economy in their own way after the 15th August 1947. The economy, which is found various economic systems in the whole world. There are various economic systems like capitalist economy, socialist economy. But Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister of India, he has advocated to follow the socialist economy in our country, but not such type of socialistic economy should be followed in our country, which pattern of socialistic economy was followed in the former Soviet Union. In that type of socialistic economy, the whole goods are produced by the government, and it was not produced according to the market forces. It is decided by the government itself what is the need of the people, and according to the need of the people, goods are produced. Goods were to be produced in the economy by the government only, and it should be distributed amongst the people. The Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru not totally follow the socialistic pattern of economy which was followed in the former Soviet Union. In our country, the market economy can also not to be followed in total. That is, all the goods and services cannot be produced according to the demand and supply force, because people in our country demanding house, home, and low priced houses which cannot be produced by the government according to their need at low price. That is why the government was not in a position to follow the market economy as well as the socialistic pattern of economy in its total form, and it was then decided by the Indian nationals and Indian leadership under the Prime Ministership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to follow the capitalist as well as socialist economy side by side in our economy. That is a new form of economy system has been introduced, that is called mixed economy, in which the democracy of the country can also be saved and the private ownership as well as public ownership, public, that is government responsibilities, also responsible for the development of the economy. That is why in our economy in the year 1948, new IPR, Industrial Policy Resolutions, were passed, and in the year 1950, the Planning Commission was established under the chairmanship of the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, through which the various plans, policies were introduced, and according to that planning policy, various developmental activities have been performed by the government in our country. So, we have introduced in our country in this way the mixed version of the capitalist economy and socialist economy. Now, come to the economic system. There are various economic systems prevailed in the world. So, we have to decide which one should be followed in our country. The economic system in which the central problems of an economy are to be solved, and the central problems in an economy arise because of scarcity of resources, and those problems are regarding the production and distribution. That is the central problems of the economy: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. These are the three basic central problems of an economy. And how these problems are to be solved in our economy, it should be decided by the government of our country. Let us consider the various forms of economic systems. First one is market or capitalist economy. The economy in which the goods production is decided according to the demand and supply force prevailed in the market. According to that, the goods should be produced in the economy, that is private ownership only, which was not possible to totally follow in our economy. And the second type of economy is socialist economy. It is such type of economy in which whole goods are to be produced by the government, which was seen in the former Soviet Union, according to the need of the people of the country. So, it was also not possible to totally follow in our economy. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, advocated about the socialistic pattern of society in which democracy should be maintained, and that is why a mixed pattern of economy has been introduced in our economy. In the mixed economy, the private as well as public partnerships for the development of the country is essential. That is why the private and public partnership has been introduced in our economy, that is mixed economy. In this way, in our country, the mixed economy has been introduced to produce various goods and services. And the question of what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce, in a mixed economy, the market will provide those goods and services it can produce well, and the government will provide essential goods and services which the market fails to do. These are the various aspects of the mixed economy, socialistic economy and capitalist economy. यानी कि हमारा देश जो है 15 अगस्त 1947 को स्वाधीन हुआ, और उसके बाद हमारे कंधों पर यह जिम्मेदारी आ गई कि हम अपने देश को किस तरह से संचालित करेंगे, कैसे चलाएंगे अपने देश को, अपनी इकोनॉमी को। तो उस समय जो हमारे लीडर थे पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, उन्होंने इच्छा जाहिर की कि हमारे देश में सोशलिस्टिक पैटर्न ऑफ सोसाइटी टाइप इकोनॉमी होनी चाहिए। लेकिन उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि जिस तरह से उस समय के सोवियत यूनियन में सोशलिस्टिक पैटर्न फॉलो किया जा रहा था, उस पैटर्न पर हमारे देश में सोशलिस्टिक पैटर्न इकोनॉमी फॉलो नहीं की जा सकती। कई समस्याएं हैं हमारे देश में, न ही मार्केट इकोनॉमी, कैपिटलिस्ट इकोनॉमी ही फॉलो की जा सकती है, क्योंकि डेमोक्रेसी को जीवित रखना है और प्राइवेट एंड पब्लिक दोनों की सहभागिता देश के विकास के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसलिए उन्होंने एक बीच का रास्ता अख्तियार करने के विषय में कार्यप्रणाली तय की और 1950 में प्लानिंग कमीशन की स्थापना की अपने चेयरमैनशिप में, और उसी के बाद से 1951 से प्रथम पंचवर्षीय योजना हमारे देश में लागू हो गई और जो पैटर्न है डेवलपमेंट का वह 1948 से ही शुरू हो गया था। IPR 1948 इंट्रोड्यूस करके इकोनॉमी, जिसको 1956 में फिर से अमेंडमेंट किया गया और अपने देश में लागू किया गया। इस तरीके से हमारे देश में मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी टाइप ऑफ इकोनॉमी संचालित की गई, जिसमें सरकार और प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल्स की सहभागिता देश के विकास में जरूरी है और डेमोक्रेसी की भी रक्षा जिससे हो सके यह सुनिश्चित किया गया और देश में मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी संचालित किया गया, जिसमें व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस एंड फॉर whom टू प्रोड्यूस की जो समस्या है यह गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट, दैट इज पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट, दोनों मिलकर के देश की समस्याओं का समाधान करेंगे। थैंक यू। रेस्ट इज वेल। नेक्स्ट rest will be discussed in the next class.